In this training session, you will learn the basics of using the Search and Edit function in PigCHAMP Reproductive. This feature allows users to search for the pig identification based on the defined criteria. From there, you have the option of viewing or editing a specific animal's history. To access the Search and Edit tool, look for the binoculars. This is located in multiple locations where you may want to access it. It can be found under the Farm's menu options, on data entry screens, or on your main screen directly above your farm name. When selected, a pop-up window will appear. In Reproductive, one of the most used searches is by identity. Pigs can be searched by primary and visual identity. You have the option of searching by the tattoo recorded as well as additional identifiers, such as transponder RFID and alternative identifiers. Select all that apply. Verify the types of pigs for your search: gilts and sows, boars, semen batches, and boar groups. If there is a type of pig you do not wish to search by, deselect by unchecking the box next to the label. When searching for a specific identification in the database, you're able to use exact match. To do this, type the ID into the text box provided. When you're ready to search, click the search button or hit your enter key. When searching for a series of identifiers, when only a portion of the identifier is known, users have the option to query the database by partial identities. To help narrow the search, you can define whether the partial match you're looking for is at the beginning or end of the identifier. If unknown, partial match anywhere is also provided. Any identities that match your search will then appear in the display in the lower left-hand corner. Click on the identity to view both the history and lifetime performance in the neighboring window. Also, if searching by known identities, you're able to search using the range with the first and last identifiers within the series. After conducting the desired search and selecting the animal you wish to edit, its history will appear in the bottom window. To edit any information, double-click on the specific event that you wish to change in the history, or click the Edit Pen icon. Edit the information as required and then click Save. If needed, an event can also be deleted from the program in the Search and Edit window. Highlight the sow identity in the lower left-hand menu. Select the event in the neighboring window, then click the black X located directly above the box. You will then be prompted with a warning window before continuing. You also have the option of running reports based on the search criteria. Right above the window, you will see an icon that looks like a piece of paper. In the drop-down, you will see the option to create a pig history report for each pig in the list, create a sow card for every sow in the list, create a report listing the pigs found, or run a sow history report or sow card of only the identity selected. Users can also export the sow history or specific event details by going to the drop-down next to the floppy disk icon, also located above the bottom left-hand section of the window. You are provided with the option for a comma-delimited or a history format. You will also note 6 other search and edit options in PigCHAMP Reproductive. Service Groups allows you to generate a list of sows serviced based on the service group recorded. The Status section is for querying the database for a list of animals based on the production state of a specified day. An event search creates a list of animals with a specific event in their history over a given range of dates. A search by date shows a list of each event type occurring on a specific date. The Location tab lets you search by barn, room, and/or pen on the date you select. And lastly, the Audit Date generates a list of events based on the date they were entered into the PigCHAMP program. This is not to be confused with the date in which they occurred. With the new user logic and introduction of the PigCHAMP Mobile App, we have added to our existing Audit Date feature. Here you can search the database for events recorded based on the date of entry and the user that entered, edited, and/or deleted the event. You now can select how you would like the events to be grouped within the display. The events may be displayed by event action, created, edited, deleted, or event type, mating, fairing, etc., or by users. If you need additional help, press the F1 key while in the PigCHAMP program to access help files, or you can contact us at techsupport@pigchamp.com, sales@pigchamp.com, or 1-866-774-4242. We appreciate you viewing this introductory video. Thank you for choosing PigCHAMP.